Hello students, myself Kushali Satpuri. Again welcome to Shri Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in our 4th standard maths in addition chapter, in previous lecture we learned about some additions or we learned Tanvi has how many beads and Sanvi has how many beads, then how many beads together of these two girls like this. But students, in this lecture we have to learn our addition chapter subtopic, addition of 4-digit numbers. Remember, you learn 2-digit addition, 3-digit addition. Okay, now we have to learn 4-digit addition. I saw some examples on whiteboard. You observe carefully or concentrate here. Suppose example first is 3468 plus 3920, and we have to solve this example. Therefore, solution. Write down this example. 3468 plus below of units place, write units place. 0, tens, 2, hundreds, 9, and thousands, 3. Okay, now solve this example, but take some space here and write here places. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Students, as per your wish, you make blocks. Okay? 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Look here, students. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. And we know that we can't write 2 digits at a time here. Therefore, how we write this answer? Our answer is 13. But units place 3. Therefore, write this 3 here. Now students, what we can do of this 1? Yes, 1 is carry. Therefore, write here. Means next place. So, add this all numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Correct. Means our answer is 7388. Now students, next example. Look here. Example number 2. 5340 plus 9867, and we have to solve this example. Therefore, solution. Write this example again. 5340 plus 9867. Take here some space and use places, units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And simply addition. 0 plus 7, 7. Now here, 4 plus 6, 10. And how to write this 10? Correct. Write here units place of this number 0. And what we do of this one? Carry in next place. 1 plus 3, Then add these all numbers. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Again, write units place number here, which is 4. Remaining one number is carry. Then